Good morning, friends and family, and welcome to another Opal and Mommy baking show. Say, I'm Opal.
Oh.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. You're Opal. Sorry we have two in a row, but we're baking again, and Opal wanted to make it into one of these. So, today we are going to make chocolate chip banana oat muffins. Mini muffins. Can you say muffins?
Waffles.
Yeah, let's do it. You say, let's do it.
It's it.
Good job. All right, Opal. So first we have two bananas.
Cool.
Two bananas. Oh, this one's gross. This is a gross banana. We can't use that part. We're going to have to throw that part away. What a bummer. Good thing we have more bananas. Oh, I should come up with some banana jokes, huh?
Yes.
Mash, mash, mash. Aren't bananas so appealing? How do monkeys stay safe when they go down the stairs? Opal. Say, I don't know.
I don't know.
They hold on to the banana stir. All right, Opal. Next is the brown sugar. Say brown sugar.
Bye.
Your turn. You put it in. Oops. Mommy moved the bowl. That was not fair. I'll clean it up. Don't you worry. All right, what's this?
Egg.
Egg. Crack the egg. Next is applesauce. 1, 2. You do the other 2. Good.
Hey.
Go ahead. Good. Now get one more scoop. Good job. Mommy, help get a full scoop. All right. Ready? Oh. That's harder than I thought it would be. There we go. Good job. Say vanilla.
Wawa.
Vanilla.
Wawa.
Nil.
No. Wawa.
Keep pouring in. Good job. Don't lick that. That's yucky.
It's yucky.
Next is flour. You say flour?
Ow.
You need 3 scoops. Oh, we dropped it a little bit. That's okay. I just got vanilla in my mouth. Yucky. Tastes like straight alcohol. Y'all ever try vanilla?
Wawa.
It doesn't taste like it smells, my friends. You guys want to know a pet peeve of mine? It's when... Are you picking your nose? It's when the recipe calls for a wet ingredient with the same measuring spoon that they want dry ingredients later. Like, seriously, can't you do the dry ones first and then the wet ones so that I don't have to wash it in between? Anyway, next is cinnamon. Say cinnamon. Good job. And then we have baking soda and baking powder. Say baking soda. Say baking powder. And stop picking your nose. What is our secret ingredient? Always. Opal. Say chocolate chips. Say it real loud. Say chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Yes. Chocolate chips are always in our recipes, aren't they? And we don't measure. We just go with our heart. Right? We let our hearts lead us. Can you stir it? Good stirring. What do you say to your bananas before you leave the house? I'm going bananas. I'm going bananas.